We're going to learn how to play Gives You Hell by All American Rejects. Ready for an easy one? I think this is an easy one, y'all. Let's get into it. On the left hand, it's just E twice, C sharp twice, A twice, and A twice again. On the right hand, you're going to go to B and E. Then go to C sharp and E. Then A and C sharp. Twice. So again, on the left hand, we have E, C sharp, and A. It's really just like a chord. So the first chord is this. Second chord. Third. One more time for good measure. Let's play it all the way through. And really quick, you guys, if you love these videos and you want to see more tutorials that have more detail, talk a little bit more about theory and they're longer, please click on my name right here in the bottom left. Then in my bio, click the link right underneath this emoji. You can join for free and preview those videos for free. I would love, love, love to see you over there in the community. Let's go!